Safety talk number 96. Your tools. Many people don't realize how many injuries come from using hand tools. I didn't know either, until I started looking up the numbers. About 20% of disabling injuries come from hand tools. That doesn't include accidents outside of work. So yes, preventing injuries from hand tools is important. Let's talk about some key points. You can add your own ideas too. First, always keep your tools in good condition. There's an old saying. You can tell a good mechanic by the condition of his tools. Some workplaces won't even hire someone if their tools are in bad shape. Good workers take pride in their tools. They know good tools mean good results. Yes, a skilled worker can do their job with poor tools. But it will take longer. The result may not be great. And it could lead to an accident. Imagine hitting a nail and the hammerhead flies off. It could hit someone nearby. That's how people get hurt. If a hammer handle is cracked, replace it. Even a taped handle can break and cause imbalance. Worn or bent wrenches are also dangerous. Of course, anyone can get hurt even with good tools, if they are not used correctly. But why make the job more dangerous? By using broken or worn-out tools. A wrench should grip tightly when needed. Tool belts are useful. They are made of leather or strong fabric and help carry tools safely. This is especially useful when working at height. But check your belt first. Look at the stitching or rivets. Make sure everything is secure. Don't force large tools into small loops. They can break or fall out. Don't carry long tools that stick out. They can get in the way when you bend or move. If you climb ladders, use a rope to pull up your tool belt. That way, nothing gets caught on the rungs. Toolboxes. Keep your toolbox neat and organized. It reduces weight and makes it easier to carry. Lay tools flat so the lid can close properly. Make sure the handle is strong. Don't use a rope as a handle. Get a real replacement. Always store your toolbox in a safe place. Never leave it in hallways or near edges of benches or scaffolds. Canvas bags. If carrying sharp tools in a bag, use guards or covers to avoid cutting the fabric. Don't overload the bag. Don't use a bag with ripped seams or holes. These are all common sense precautions. But if you forget them, accidents can happen.